Hello, my name is Francesca Mora, and I am proud to present my project, Preserving the Sounds of Traditions. This initiative seeks to address the social challenge of preserving mariachi music, an essential part of Mexican's cultural heritage, while promoting inclusivity, education, and global appreciation through innovative digital tools. First of all, let's understand the problem about the preservation of this heritage. Mariachi music comes from the rural communities of Jalisco, Nayarit, Michoacán, and Colima, and it has become a cornerstone of Mexican identity. It reflects our nation's history, struggles, and values. However, globalization, urbanization, and shifts in generational interest have led to its diminishing visibility, especially among the younger audience and international communities. To address this, my project proposed a digital platform that ensures the preservation, dissemination, and accessibility of mariachi music. This solution aligns with the Sustainable Development Goals, specifically SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, and SDG 4, Quality Education. This by safeguarding cultural heritage and by promoting learning through accessible interactive resources. By this project, my solution is to create a digital platform where mariachi's history, performances, and cultural value are showcased through high-quality audiovisual content. This platform will educate by providing materials for schools, researchers, and the public in general to learn about mariachi's origins and significance. It will also connect by facilitating virtual workshops, live performances, and interviews with mariachi musicians to engage users globally. Finally, it will also preserve, by a digital store, audio recording, photographs, and interviews to ensure future generations can access and appreciate mariachi music. Now, the question is, how does it benefit society? Well, first of all, this will promote cultural sustainability. By preserving mariachi music, the project ensures that this intangible heritage continues to be a source of pride and identity for Mexicans, while enriching global cultural diversity. Then, it will encourage collaboration by involving musicians, educators, cultural experts, and digital creators to promote a collaborative approach to heritage preservation. Finally, it will empower communities. This platform highlights mariachi musicians, offering them visibility and opportunities to share their stories and skills with a wider audience. It is important to highlight that mariachi is not just music. It is a shared experience that connects Mexicans across generations and borders. Through its melodies, rhythm, and lyrics, mariachi embodies themes of resilience, identity, and joy. However, as experts highlight, without proactive measures, cultural traditions are at risk of being overshadowed in this rapidly changing world. It is also important to mention that mariachi music reflects a blend of indigenous, Spanish, and African influence. This is a true testament of diversity. Through this platform, users from all backgrounds can engage and appreciate this cultural treasure. Also, during my research, I spoke with a mariachi musician who emphasized how mariachi is not just a profession, but a way of life that brings people together. In conclusion, preserving mariachi music is more than just a cultural project. It is a commitment to our culture and our traditions. By safeguarding this tradition and sharing it with the world, we honor our past and inspire a brighter, more inclusive future. This project invites you to be part of this mission. Together, we can ensure mariachi music continues to bring joy, pride, and cultural understanding for the future generations to come. Thank you.